Hi, I'm Richard Hunter, Head of Markets at Interactive Investor, here to talk about our third pricing plan, which we're calling Super Investor. Super Investor is very much designed with client choice in mind. We're very mindful that we have buy and hold clients. We also have those that like to be in and out of the market on a regular basis, and it's that recognition of choice which is why we've come up with Super Investor. So what might a super investor look like? Well, it could be one of those active investors who simply likes to prune and modify their portfolio on a regular basis. It could be an out-and-out trader who enjoys trading volatility, and there's certainly a lot of that around at the moment. It could even be an ex-market professional who's made this something of a career choice and obviously needs access to the ability to be able to trade many times a day if necessary. If we think about the fact that investment these days is very much a global concern, one of the things that historically has been a problem is investing directly in international shares, and in particular in shares in the United States. What's coming along with Super Investor is not only extreme value for money, but simple access to those international markets. If in terms of the US, for example, we think of the most popular brands in the UK, the ones that we all know, we're going to come up with things like Apple, Amazon, Netflix, McDonald's, Disney, all US companies. And this particular Super Investor pricing plan is bang in centre for investors who want that direct overseas exposure.